Does your PC turn on but only shows a black screen during startup? No desktop, no login screen, just darkness? Yeah, this is a very common Windows issue, and luckily, most of the time, it's fixable. Let's go step by step. First, make sure the problem isn't your display. Check your monitor cable and confirm the monitor is powered on. Now try restarting the graphics driver using a keyboard shortcut. Press Windows, Control, Shift, and B together. If the screen flashes or you hear a beep, the graphics driver just restarted. Next, unplug all external devices like USB drives, docking stations, or external monitors. Faulty accessories can interrupt startup. If the screen stays black, force Windows into recovery mode. Hold the power button to shut down, then turn the PC on again. Repeat this about 3 times. Inside recovery mode, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and choose Startup Repair. Windows will automatically fix boot problems. If startup repair doesn't work, open startup settings and boot into safe mode. Once inside safe mode, uninstall or update your graphics driver. Fast startup can sometimes cause black screen issues. Disable it from power options once Windows loads. If the problem started recently, use System Restore to go back to a working state. And that's it. Your black screen issue should now be fixed. One of these steps usually brings Windows back to life, so save this guide in case it ever happens again.